How you doing, everyone? Anthony Taylor here from SME Strategy, and today I want to talk to you about our corporate strategy training offerings and our general training offerings that you might want to complement your learning and development program. So this time of the year, a lot of organizations are trying to maximize their training budgets so their money doesn't go away. And so today I want to talk to you about some of the opportunities that you have for using that budget. So one of the biggest outcomes that we find for teams is just putting money and time and energy towards training creates a unity with a team and their ability to work together more effectively. What do you get out of training? Well, it's high impact. So we do about 3-hour sessions to train on a variety of subjects. So they're quick, engaging. You get to work as a team and you get an opportunity to develop your people. They're engaging, which means not only do we share the content, but we do it in a way in the best practice for adult learning styles. So people enjoy learning it. They like the content and they keep it with them long term. It's personalized. So as part of the work that we do, we make sure that we understand your organization, understand your needs, and customize the training for what you and your people want, and make sure that it's relevant. So you're getting just-in-time information, whether it's strategic planning, whether it's leadership training, whether it's execution or anything in between, that you have what you need when you need it, and that's the best fit for your team. So some of the different things that we do training on: strategic plan creation, goal setting, and cascading between the strategic and operational. A lot of people talk to us about project management, execution best practices, change management, stakeholder engagement, action planning, and then, of course, values, behavior, and culture, stakeholder engagement, business model canvas if you're looking at adapting your organization's plan, leadership best practices and communication, and scenario planning. So if you're interested, be sure to visit SME Strategy, contact us for a complimentary needs assessment and consultation to see if we are a good fit to support your training and development goals. So my name is Anthony Taylor from SME Strategy. Look forward to speaking with you soon.